Hi, this is Carl Leopson at the University of Arizona, and this video is designed to help you find information about special education laws at the NICHCY website. So first we have to go to the NICHCY website, which is the National Dissemination Center for Children with Disabilities. I like this website because when I want to go look for information, it is a website that is vetted by the federal government. It means all of the information here has gone through the federal government, and it's information that you can rely on. You see, there's lots of information here. We're going to focus on disability and education laws. And when you go to this link, you'll see that you could also find out information about not only IDEA, but NCLB, Section 504, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Assistive Technology Act. We're going to focus on IDEA. And when we get to the IDEA link, you see they have yet more information. They have summaries of the IDEA requirements. They have the law itself that you can read, which is what we're going to look at. You can see that they have guidance on IDEA, and they have some legal analyses and law journals. They have training materials. But let's take a look at IDEA itself. We're going to look right at the language of the law to find the answer to our question. There are multiple parts to IDEA. We are going to look at Part B. Part C is early intervention for babies and toddlers. We're going to look at Part B. Services for school-aged children. So let's say in our scenario that we want to have our special education meeting, but during the summer the student was placed in foster care, and we're unsure about whether or not a foster parent can serve as the legal signing entity for a child. There are multiple parts or subparts to Part B in the legislation. General provisions, state eligibility, LEA eligibility, evaluations, procedural safeguards, monitoring enforcement, use of funds, preschool grants. We'll look at some of those others in another part of the course. But right now we're going to look at general provisions because it provides information about definitions, and we want to know the definition of a parent. What is a parent under the law? And in special education law, you can see the definitions used, and one of those is definition of a parent. And in this case, it says that a parent means a biological or adoptive parent of a child, or a foster parent. However, there is some extra language here. Unless state law, regulations, or contractual obligations with a state or local entity prohibit a foster parent from acting as a parent. So the other piece of information you need to find out is whether or not your state law prohibits a foster parent from acting as a parent.